Let's talk about another amazing, really beautiful aquatic plant. This is Hygrophila Corymbosa Angustifolia. This plant is one of my favorite plants out there. It's a plant that is often underlooked because it's not as common despite being a really fast grower, but it provides a really amazing texture to the overall aquarium with its narrow shaped pointy leaves. I mean, the leaves are not as thin as other plants like that Pogostem and Stellatus octopus, but they're a bit, they have a bit more thickness to them, which looks really nice. It has a really nice effect. I mean, like it's in front of you, it looks beautiful. Especially, I think it's mainly a foreground plant. Sorry, background plant. It's planted towards the back side of the tank, but like in my case, I have planted it towards the side, along with Vallisneria gigantea. All right, if you think this is not jungle val, this is giant val. That's why it has a bit thicker look to it. But yes, well, talking about this plant, this is a stem plant. It's a very quick growing plant. Obviously, with the addition of CO2 and fertilizers or stuff like that, better lights, it will grow even faster, but it can do perfectly fine even in low light conditions. Sorry, not low light conditions, but like the average budget light as well as normal soil. It doesn't need any special substrate. This is a dirted tank. It's still doing really well despite all of that. I mean, this is a low tech setup without any CO2, and the plant still looks amazing. Like all stem plants, you can cut it from below a node and remove the leaves from that node and plant it directly into the substrate, and that's how it will grow. Aside from that, it can tolerate a wide range of temperatures, but grows really well in warmer temperatures. But it won't melt off like most other plants would if the high-tech ones, especially if the temperature is fluctuating or the parameters are not exactly to their liking. This plant, on the other hand, is really amazing. I still don't get it why many people don't focus on this one, just like how they get rotalas or hygrophilas, ludwigias, and plants like that, because this is overall a really beautiful looking plant.